Today we are baking this whole Fore shank of a cow, 14 pounds of meat. You have to massage it at least for 5 minutes. The whole bone marrow, whole deal. This is our whole. Well guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mair. You're watching mairbornhungry YouTube channel. So today we are baking this whole Fore shank of a cow. This is a 14 pounds of meat. This is a whole shank, so we have an extra meat sticking right here. You can definitely cut it here and remove this. It has a bone marrow inside and it has an extra meat on top. I'll show you how to cook this whole beef Fore shank. We'll put this right here. It's gonna take at least 4.5 hours. This is the most delicious way to cook this whole beef Fore shank. We will grab a big piece of a foil. Once you grab 2 big pieces for the base of a foil, grab butter paper. This is actually a Eid recipe, so Eid Mubarak to all Muslims. Here it is, guys. We will grab our whole Fore shank, right? And we'll just land it for now, marinating it right away. I have brown sugar. We'll add at least 2 tablespoons of brown sugar on top of this. We have sea salt, 2 whole tablespoons. Remember, it's a 14 to 15 pounds, so 2 whole tablespoons. The recipe, the ingredients I'm telling you right here, you know, it's gonna give a smoky flavor in your oven. This is an indoor recipe. So we have granulated garlic powder. We'll add 1 tablespoon just for now. I have organic basil leaves. I'll add, or you guys should add 2. 1 whole tablespoon. These are thyme leaves. 1 whole tablespoon. We are adding oregano leaves in there as well, 1 tablespoon. This is a slow cooking, guys, and it's gonna be delicious. I can tell you that. It's just called seasoning Italian style. Remember, we need the smoky flavor, so all these guys are important. 1 whole tablespoon. Oven baked Fore shank. Smoky paprika. 1 whole tablespoon. Minced onion, 2 tablespoons. Check the colors of the seasoning right here. This is white pepper powder. 1 tablespoon. Parsley flakes. 1 tablespoon. So we have fresh cloves of garlic. These are at least 20 to 25. Put it in your blender juicer. Put at least 20 spoons of oil. Let's blend this. Put all the blend right here. Put half first. Once you put the half first, massage it. It's gonna taste so good, guys. Once we cook this, I'm gonna cut it. It's a slow cooking method for this recipe in your oven, indoor. And now we will just flip it. Put the remaining garlic right on top and just rub it. You have to massage it at least for 5 minutes, so all the seasoning, whatever we put on top, gets in there, so they form a perfect paste. This time, if you want to check the salts, you can just taste your... Alright guys, we have done this. Let me rinse my hands. Grab the butter paper again and we will be just start packing this guy up now. So it goes right there. Alright guys, so we just have to make sure now it's covering everything. Look at this piece. And we'll put this whole big piece. Just like this on top of it. Our oven is at 400 degrees and we will bake this at least for 3.5 hours at 400 degrees. So after 3.5 hours, we will take a look what's going on the inside. So whole 4 shank baked. Okay, it's been 6:30. It's been there for 3.5 hours. This is whole 4 shank. So here it is. Let's try to peel it. This is 15 pounds of meat. Here it is. Oh wow. OMG. This is the whole recipe right here, guys. It's cooked. Take a look at this whole and the juices at the bottom. What we are talking about. So bone marrow. This is a whole bone. We have a meat right here, cooked in oven. Let me give a cut for you guys, okay? This is only for you guys. So this is how you cut it, and this is as deep as you can go. So this is what it is. All the way through. It's landing right here. I can't even pick it up. Whole 4 shank. I'll show you the bone marrow in a minute. So here it is. Alright, so this is what it is. Yes sir. This it looks. It's juicy, it's tender, whole thing, you know, the whole bone marrow and the sauces will come out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Do try this recipe. This is a B4 shank whole recipe. This is a whole 4 shank recipe right here in front of you. Subscribe the channel, make this recipe just the way it is. So here you go. Oh wow. This is just wow.